Good afternoon, everyone. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Thanks for sending it out to us. We're at Interop 2018, and what we're showing here is all types of new technology for different types of businesses, everything from real-time support to IBM to SAP, reaching global marketing, security. And, oh my God, is that Corning from Corning, New York? No joke. Born and raised in Rochester. Best glass company in the world for a gazillion years. You almost everything you use, from your grandmother's Pyrex all the way up to computer screens and everything. Make sure you always follow them. Dear to my heart and wine country. That was interesting. I didn't think it was going to be a company. Corning still displays, but they make some of the best that you've ever seen. That's interesting. Google Maps is here. Again, VR and 3D. Oh, very familiar with Array Networks. You should stop by and see them. A great company. Electric company, all sorts of switches and outlets. Datadog's been around for, we've seen them almost every single year. Great company. Medium-sized conference, a lot of different companies represented here. And again, every area has got a play area where you got video games and basketball and ping pong. Remember UpLogic, when everything goes down, they go up. And cybersecurity services from cyberware. Future-proof your team. Open gear for resilient networks. Your network goes down, you're out of business for a while. So we're going to walk around and we'll show you some of the other things here. Make sure security intelligence, which everyone needs, and I can't stress it enough, saying how much you have to check your security at all times, almost like on a monthly basis, and have your team be diligent. It doesn't take more than a second to have your security hiccup, and next thing you know, you're offline and compromised.
I don't know why I knew that you would know that, but I just knew that you would know. You're the man. You're like brothers. I like this. Zachary and I are brothers. Yeah. Boom.
CyberLogic.
We just got
There's TSS. And of course, Mr. Robot, who I've seen forever at every single meeting. The guy's tremendous. You should always use him. Target has always been a great company for accessories and bags. I've used them for over 35 years. Wireless virtual reality. Oh, display link. Okay, and there's somebody taking a demonstration of it right now. And you can see what they're doing over here. Better than Oculus Rift. She's getting ready to shoot. And of course, another standby, AT&T was now using edge-to-edge and now starting 5G. I don't care.
job, Zachary. Man, you play so well. You must have been playing for years. I get that of you. I thought so. Now everybody's awake.
I see you at every show. You're always the best, no matter who you're working for. This time, Arctic.
I love it. You can say that 18 times louder to everybody in this room if you like.
The best personality and the best demo.
He
Guys worth
sees
every...
me all the time.
You're the best.
The restraining order expired though, so that's why, you know.
You couldn't ask for a better booth person in the world.
Oh, you're the best. Thank you, my friend.
That's
So
right.
great to see you again. And look, you even brought a little self-balancing buddy.
Yes, this is broadcasting live around the world for
This?
for
I'm right around the world. Hi, world.
Sync Media Network.
That's fantastic. Well, hi, as you know, then, this is ICANN here. I'm right here with my friends at Arctic Wolf. We're having a fantastic time. We're just talking about all the amazing products and services that we have. It's all about being in the cloud. You know that.
That's right.
Nobody needs physicality. You're not even there. I'm not even here. We don't even exist. That was heaven.
As long as your head's not in the cloud, then we're all set.
Yes.
I got you.
Everything is. Trust me.
The best guys.
All right, my friend. Thank you. So
See you
great
at the
to
next
see
show,
you again.
ICANN.
Till next time.
Yeah. So we're going to shut down for a second. I thought he had some fun with that. That guy is the best. So follow us, like, follow, share, and if you're watching on YouTube, click the little bell on Sync Media Network, SYNC, and it'll alert you whenever we go live from anywhere in the world.